to learn Sama Khichdi. So this is little millet. So we are going to prepare a khichdi of Sama rice. So first we are going to boil the water. Once the water is boiled, we will put Sama rice and then we'll close the lid. Close the lid. Just mix it a little bit. Once Sama rice is cooked like half cooked, then you will put all the vegetables in this one by one. For instance, today I am going to use beans, then carrots, uh, then all the peppers, yellow, green and red peppers. So now first I'm going to put beans in that, followed once beans is half cooked, then I'll put carrots, then I will put this potatoes, chopped potatoes, and then all the three peppers. The idea is that these vegetables has to be cooked in its own water, and one by one that we are putting the vegetables in the boiling water along with that millet. So now everything is together cooked so that all the nutrients which are there in the vegetables will be intermingled and intermixed with the little millet. So the taste will be different. So once that is cooked, then we will put in the last we will put tomatoes and we'll put the paste of coconut along with few tomatoes also in that, and we'll paste it along with one chili, and then we'll mix it in the end along with the salt, and we'll garnish it with coriander leaves. So this is a very simple recipe, very light on stomach, and anyone can have it as a dinner recipe with full of vegetables. So the proportion is 1 portion of grain equivalent to 4 portions of vegetables, and all different kinds of vegetables. So the more you use variety and colors, the more nutrients, micronutrients you add into your food. So now our Sama rice is cooked. Now we are going to put all the vegetables. First we are going to put uh, beans, then we are going to put carrots, and now we are going to close the lid again so that these vegetables are cooked, and afterwards we are going to put all the 3 bell peppers and yellow pumpkin and potatoes. So now let's see how much our summer millet is ready. So in this now we are going to add yellow pumpkin because our other 2 vegetables are almost ready. So we are going to put yellow pumpkin, and then we are going to put some potatoes. You can choose to put different sizes of vegetables. So now we'll cook it again for few minutes till the time our potatoes and yellow pumpkin is cooked. So now all the vegetables are cooked. So now we are going to add these peppers, green pepper, red pepper and yellow pepper. Now you can choose any vegetables that you like or any vegetables that are in the season. So these peppers we won't cook much, we'll just cook in the steam little bit so that it becomes softer to eat. Now just for 2 minutes we'll close the lid and we'll wait, and meanwhile we'll keep our ready this tomato puree. So we can add it right away also because this also has to be cooked. So now I have added tomato puree. I'll add a little bit of chopped tomatoes also just to give more color. These tomatoes doesn't have to be cooked much. They can be cooked easily in the steam. So now I'll put jeera powder. So 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. So we can see different colors in this khichdi. You can do the similar kind of cooking for different millets, kodo millet or foxtail millet or anything. Only thing is just you have to follow the same process. So you can't put all the vegetables together because for different vegetables the cooking time is different. So that is why we do step by step, one by one at a time. So little bit we'll keep this thing closed for a while so that the tomatoes aroma spread in the whole meal, and then we are going to open it and add coconut and salt finally. So now the final step for summer khichdi. Now finally add coconut. So before adding coconut, we are going to close the gas stove. We are going to put coconut, mix it well. You can adjust your taste for coconut, how much you like, that much you can use, but it should not be too much because then the flavor of the vegetables and everything will not be there. Now for garnishing, we are going to use coriander leaves, and we are going to mix this also so that this cooks in little bit in the steam. Now we are going to finally add salt. Salt should never be cooked. This is one guideline, one must follow it for all the cooking that you're doing. So we are done with this recipe, summer khichdi.